नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण एक्सरसाइज 1.3 चॅप्टर फर्स्ट नंबर सिस्टीम एक्सरसाइज 1.3 द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम है द कॉस्ट ऑफ 20 kg आयरन इज ₹1,20,000. कॉस्ट ऑफ 20 kg iron is ₹1,20,000. 1,20,000. Then find the cost of 280 kg. We have to find cost of 280 kg. Cost of 20 kg iron is ₹1,20,000. Therefore, cost of 1 kg iron is equal to 1,20,000. 1,20,000 divided by 20. 1,20,000 divided by 20 means 0 cancel. Here cost of 1 kg iron is 1,20,000 divided by 20 means 1,20,000 divided by 20. 0 get cancel. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12 means 6,000. Cost of 1 kg iron is ₹6,000. Cost of 1 kg iron. Therefore, cost of 1 kg iron is equal to ₹6,000. Now we have to find cost of 200 kg iron. Therefore, cost of 280 kg iron is equal to 280 into 6,000. 280 into 6,000, or we also write 6,000 into 280. 6,000 into 280. 280 into 6. We cannot consider 0. 28 into 6. 6 8 is 48. 8 carry 4. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 4 16 means 168. Now count 0. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Therefore, cost of 280 kg iron is ₹16,80,000. Is ₹16,80,000. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is Jagreet is a famous cricket player. So far he has scored 7,890 runs in test matches. How many runs does he need to complete 10,000 runs? First, Jagreet score in test matches equal to 7,890 runs. How many runs does he need to complete 10,000 runs? Therefore, runs need to complete 10,000 runs. Runs need to complete 10,000 runs is equal to 10,000 minus 7,890. Hence 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 9, 1, here 9, 9 minus 8, 1, here 9, 9 minus 7, 2, and here 0. Means runs need to complete 10,000 runs are 2,110 runs. 2,110 runs need to complete 10,000 runs. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A vessel has 4 liter and 650 milliliter of curd. Vessel has 4 liter and 650 milliliter of curd. Means total in milliliter 4,650 milliliter curd in a vessel. In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can the whole curd be distributed? Each capacity of each can, capacity of each can is equal to 25 milliliter. Therefore, in how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity of can the whole curd be distributed? Therefore, number of glasses is equal to 4,650 divided by 25. Means 4,650 को हम 25 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 25 वन जा 25 minus 5 1 4 minus 2 carry cannot carry 21 5 taken as it is. 25 8 जा 200 1 5 and 25 6 जा 150 means 0 0. Number of glasses is equal to 186. Number of glasses is equal to 186. Now question 4. Question 4 is the population of Sundarnagar was 23,65,471 in the year 1991. Population of Sundarnagar in 1991 equal to 23,65,471. In the year 2001, it was found to have increased by 72,958. Therefore, now population increase in 2001 is equal to 72,958. So what was the population of the city? Population increased by 72,958 in 2000. Population increased by 72,958 in 2001. Therefore, population of the city in 2001. Population of the city in 2001 is equal to 23,65,421 plus 72,958 is equal to 1 plus 8 9, 10 plus 5 12, carry 1 14, carry 1 8 6 12 13, carry 1 4, means 24,38,429. Population of the city in 2001, 24,38,429. Now question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and smallest number that can be found using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only 1. So greatest number is equal to 76432, means 76,430, and smallest number is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, means 23,467, and greatest number 76,432. Now difference is equal to 76,432 minus 23,467. So 2 means 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Here written 2. 2 minus 6 means again 12 minus 6, 6, and here 3. 3 means 13. 13 minus 4, 9. Here 5. 5 minus 3, 2. And 7 minus 2, 5, means 52,965. 52,965. Now question number 6. Question number 6. A bike covers 800 km distance in 20 hours. A bike covers 800 km in 20 hours. Now find the distance covered by the bike in 1 hour. Therefore, distance covered by the bike in 1 hour, distance covered by the bike in 1 hour is equal to 800 divided by 20, means 0 get cancel. 2 4 8 means 40 kilometer. Distance covered by the bike in 1 hour equal to 40 kilometer. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Manish has rupees 78,592. Manish has 78,592 rupees. He placed an order of purchasing 39 DVD players at rupees 1,234 each. Cost price of 1 DVD is equal to rupees 1,234. Total DVD equal to 39. Therefore, cost price of 39 DVD, cost price of 39 DVD equal to 1,234 into 39, means 9 4 36, 6 carry 3, 9 3 27, 27 plus 3 30, means 0 carry 3, 9 to the 18, 20 21, carry 1, carry 2, 9 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. Now 3 4 12, 2 carry 1, 3 3 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 3 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 3. Therefore 6, 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 7 8. Therefore cost price of 39 DVD equal to rupees. Cost price of 39 DVD equal to rupees 48,126. Again we have to find how much money will remain with him after the purchase. How much money? Now money share and 78,592 minus 48,126. 12 minus 6, 6. 8, 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 1, 4. 0. Now Manish has rupees 30,466. Manish has rupees 30,466. Now question number 8. Question number 8. An exhibition was held. Exhibition was held for 4 days at Diwali the cost of one ticket is rupees 75. Cost of one ticket equal to rupees 75. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final days were 1812, 2050, 1094 and 2751 respectively. Find the total number of tickets sold. Total number of tickets sold is equal to plus 1094 plus final 2751. Therefore 2 plus 4 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 5 9 plus 1 10, 10 10 20 carry 2, 2 plus 8 10 plus 7 17 carry 1, 1 2 4 5 2 7 means total number of tickets sold is equal to 7707 tickets sold. Now find the total money of sold tickets. Total money of sold tickets. Total money of sold tickets is equal to 7707 into 75 is equal to 5 7 35 5 3 5 into 0 0 0 plus 3 3 5 7 35 5 carry 3 5 7 35 plus 3 38 plus 7 7 49 9 carry 4 7 into 0 0 0 plus 4 4 7 7 49 carry 4 7 7 49 plus 4 50 53. Therefore 5 9 plus 3 12 1 5 plus 5 10 0 carry 1 18 carry 1 3 3 6 7 and 5 means total 5,78,000. Total money rupees 5,78,025.